Here's the truth most people never say out loud. Being the strong one has a cost. You don't get to fall apart. You don't get to say, I can't. You don't get to need. Because everyone else is looking to you to hold it all together. And for a while, I bet you wear that title like a badge of honor. But over time, it starts to feel like a cage. You become so good at managing everybody else's chaos that no one sees you slipping. They don't notice you're exhausted, that you're mentally rehearsing the worst case scenario every single day, that smile is a mask you don't even realize you're wearing anymore. And if you're anything like I was, you don't ask for help because you don't even know how to. For years, I ran companies, took care of my wife while she was dying, and after she passed, I just kept going. I took care of my father, my mother, my brothers, one by one until I was the only one left. And I was praised for being strong, but no one knew the weight I was carrying inside my chest. Let me tell you something. I had to learn the hard way. Being the strong one is unsustainable, and it's not your fault. Your nervous system was never built to hold everyone else's pain without support. The anxiety, the burnout, the emptiness, it's not weakness. It's your body screaming. It was my body screaming for rest, for safety, for space to feel. And inside the Calm Clarity method, that's exactly what I help you rebuild from the inside out. Because when you finally put down the performance, when you stop clenching through life and start regulating your nervous system, you don't lose your strength. You finally get to feel it for real again. Strength isn't about carrying everything alone. It's about knowing when it's time to heal. If you've been the strong one for far too long, you don't have to be today. There's nothing wrong with you. There's just a better way, and I'll help you find it. Leave a comment if this hits you in the gut. Let's stop suffering in silence. The Calm Clarity method is a method. It's not a course. It's not a coach thing. It is a method that I used to heal myself. I had the neuroscience. I've had the spirituality. I've had the affirmations, the visualizations, the meditations, and I still was shaking before a board meeting. This is a method. It's a method of living your life in clarity, in calm, and in alignment. My relationships, my businesses, and all that I interact with are so much better today following this simple method. It's something I'd love to share with you. So there's going to be a wait list. Leave the comment wait list, and I'll be glad to put you on it. Early subscribers or people who want to join and try the method will get bonuses, benefits, and discounts. So leave the comment wait list, and I'll be glad to connect with you. If it doesn't work, fine. No harm, no foul. But what do you have to lose? As far as I'm concerned, if I found a method that would solve my problems, I would want to know what that method is. So the Abundance Alchemy group on Facebook, you can join and leave a comment about waitlist, and I'll be sure to get you in on trying the method out. Got nothing to lose, and I'd love to help you. Nobody helped me when I needed all the help I needed. Let me tell you, running businesses, dealing with protracted diseases and family members dying off, nobody put a hand out. I'm doing that. So if you'd like, I can help. If you don't like, it's nice to know you. In the meantime, leave a comment. I'd love to have you.